Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your brokerage data with interactive brokers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your brokerage data with interactive brokers, start by logging into your interactive brokers account. Navigate to the main dashboard after entering your credentials. Look for the Reports tab located in the menu options. Click on Reports to expand a list of available report types. Select Activity to view detailed information about your trading activities. Choose the date range for the data you wish to back up. Use the Calendar tool to set the specific start and end dates. Click on the Generate button to create a report based on your selected criteria. Wait for the report to process. This may take a few moments. Once the report is ready, you will see an option to download the data. Select the desired format for your backup, such as CSV or PDF. Click on the Download button to save the file to your device. Open the downloaded file to ensure the data has been captured correctly. For additional backups, consider downloading other report types like portfolio or transactions. Repeat the process for any other. It's also wise to back up any personal notes or important documents related to your trading activities. Once all needed data is backed up, store the files securely. Consider using cloud storage for added safety and accessibility. Regularly update your backups to include the latest data after major trades or changes in your portfolio. This routine helps ensure that your brokerage information is preserved and easily retrievable. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your brokerage data with interactive brokers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.